Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to see technically whether Boeing stock is a good buy at this moment. As you can see here, the stock is trading within this channel since March 2020's lows. The price is currently at the lows of this channel, which adds more probability that the stock is heading upwards. The stochastic RSI indicates a reversal, and thus an increase in price. We tested some levels from the Fibonacci retracement, and the price rebounded perfectly. If you decide to go with a long position, you may want to look at these resistance levels as exit points. Levels are 260, 278, and 300. Looking for 20%, 30%, and 40% upward moves respectively. If you enjoy such content, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.